Is establishing a digital marketing agency possible without experience in 2024? With the right approach, starting a digital marketing agency in 2024 is achievable without experience. Firstly, knowing about digital marketing through various resources such as online courses and webinars and staying updated on industry trends and statistics. Developing essential SEO, social media marketing, content creation, and PPC advertising skills is vital. Creating a plan for the agency's goals, target audience, services, and pricing strategies is also crucial, as well as registering the agency, obtaining necessary licenses, and establishing a legal structure. In 2021, global digital advertising spent approximately $333.25 billion on digital marketing. Despite the rapidly evolving digital marketing landscape, starting a digital marketing agency in 2024 without experience is achievable with dedication, ongoing learning, and a strong business strategy. The digital marketing industry has great growth potential, as statistics show that global digital advertising spending will reach $389.29 billion by 2024.